Hello guys, I'm Rhonda Dracoulis with RK3 Designs, and today I'm excited to take you behind the scenes of our 4-day Epoxy Pro Class, a comprehensive workshop designed for those eager to master the art of epoxy, elevate your craftsmanship, and even start an epoxy coating business. We have several different classes, and all of our classes are an immersive experience, attracting students from all over the world. Whether you're aiming to start your own epoxy business or integrate epoxy techniques into your existing skill set, these workshops are tailored for you. Not only do we have our Epoxy Pro Class, we also offer a 101 class and a fabricating class just for you beginners. And don't forget, we also have a new flooring class led by Mitch Quist with Stone Coat Countertops. Throughout the workshop, we emphasize hands-on learning. Here, Mitch and I are demonstrating popular countertop designs, showcasing techniques and tips that students will soon apply themselves. Many students come to our class with a list of questions, and this is typically the exact time when we get to answer all of them. This way, when they break off to recreate their own pieces, they have the know-how and confidence to do so. We also encourage them to step outside the box and add their own creativity. We cover everything from selecting the right epoxy, mixing, and tinting to advanced design techniques. Our goal is to equip you with the skills to create stunning, professional grade finishes, along with playing with colors just to see how far you can take your design. Our class is the absolute perfect place to make mistakes, so we always encourage our students to think outside the box and get creative with our techniques. This way, the student also learns what not to do when they go out into the field. After our demos, it's your turn. We believe in learning by doing, so you'll get ample time to practice and perfect each technique. We also incorporate group projects to simulate real-world scenarios. Here, teams are working on various substrates, such as MDF and foam board, to understand different application methods and different coverage amounts based on the type of finish they're doing. These challenges are designed to provide a real-world experience, preparing you for actual client projects. Another big part of working with epoxy is having the right foundation, and that's why we also teach how to fabricate MDF countertops from scratch. My husband, Kenny Dracoulis, walks you through the entire process. How to properly template a kitchen, cut your countertops, seam, create drop edges, prep your board for epoxy so that you know how to create your countertops right every time with the right tools. Learning these fabrication techniques ensure that you're not just applying epoxy to a surface, you're creating a professional grade countertop from start to finish. Also learning how to pour over existing in-place countertops. This way, you're well-rounded, setting you apart in this growing industry. Beyond the technical skills, we delve into the business aspects, pricing your services, acquiring customers, and effective marketing strategies. We aim to equip you with the tools to run a successful business. This is more than just colorful art in a kitchen or bathroom. This is a lucrative way for you to be your own boss and make a living doing something fun, all while making people happy about their homes as they get custom looks for thousands less than most other renovation options. This has been a win-win for our customers and installers alike since day one, and we want more people to get a piece of the pie. So starting your business off right will ensure you don't have any hiccups down the road and you get yourself a very happy customer. We also invite industry leaders to share their knowledge, providing diverse perspectives and deeper insights into business and online marketing to help advance you and put your best foot forward. We offer an extremely robust bidding software with many other business elements, as well as go over multimedia best practices to ensure you show the world your professional work with the highest optimization possible. By the end of our Epoxy Pro Class, you'll have the confidence and the skills to tackle your projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking to expand your offerings, our workshop is designed to set you on the path to success. So if you are ready to embark on this creative journey and expand your business, visit our website, rk3designs.com, To learn more about our classes, check out our schedule and sign up. Thank you guys for joining us for our behind look at our classes. And remember, don't be scared, move forward, and be creative.